WAI stock analysis and WAI stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space that's done this for 45,000 videos and has proof of everything. So, you know, I've seen what's working for me and what's not, especially where we are with top KingWin stock. Yeah, this thing went up like a pretty good amount, and then for the whole day was just 23% up. At some point, it was a lot higher than that. It was double that, right? So we were a good amount of 200% up. And honestly, when I see a price action like this, I'll just not even entertain it. I'll just not entertain it, because how would I trade this? You know, there's a lot of speculation that it's just gonna short squeeze, it's gonna pop right around the corner. Honestly, man, I don't think so. I mean, in my eyes, most of the times these things just crash after a crazy runner. You know, you grab some liquidity, now it's good to go. And honestly, like, environment like this, I'm not going to trade, but I'll just take the same risk and put it somewhere else, which in this case, somewhere else is going to be other tickers, right? That's it, you know. So if you have any questions or anything, just click the first link in the description. It's free. You get stuff, free stock picks, emails and insights and all that good jazz. See you in the next one.